Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect Meta Business Suite app to your Instagram account. So let's head over to the app. And from here, just make sure that you are logged in to your account. By doing that, both your Facebook and Instagram accounts should automatically be connected to your Meta Business Suite. So in this case, I still haven't connected my Instagram account. And to do that, just go to this three-line button, then click on Settings. Just scroll down until you can see Instagram. So as you can see, Connect is still available. So let's just click on it, then click on Connect. Next, just click on Connect Account, then Confirm. So just by doing that, we have now successfully connected our Instagram account to Meta Business Suite. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily connect your Instagram account to Meta Business Suite. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!